കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി റെഡി ബെഞ്ചുകളിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ സിംഫണി ഓഫ് സെന്റ് മേരീസ് തയ്യാറാക്കി അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് സെന്റ് മേരീസ് ഉളിയക്കോവിലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ. സാങ്കേതിക സഹായം ശരത് ആലാബ്സ്.
Rain is grace. Rain is the sky condescending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. Hi everyone. I hope that you are having a good day today because you are listening to Symphony of St. Mary's by the students of St. Mary's English Medium School, Uliyakovil. Prayer is the key that unlocks all the storehouses of God's infinite power and grace. So we start today's episode with a beautiful prayer song. Thank you Varda, Gada, Vidya, Nila, Iona, Pranav, Devika and Gayatri. Rain gives us hope, while rain awakens our senses. It reminds us of the beauty of our planet. Here is Asad Riyachan with today's speech.
Good evening listeners. Hope you all are having a great day. This is our school radio and this time we'll be discussing about the rain or the rainy days. First, what are the common things we and the rain have? Give it a thought, but I'll tell you. It all happens so randomly, yet uniformly. We aren't precise with everything, are we? Humans are never perfect without a bit of imperfection. Just like that, the rain is so random but uniform. That's what makes it so enjoyable. Why the rain, you might ask? Well, why not the rain? It's basically part of our life. So here's a few facts about the rain. Ever thought about this? India is the most rainiest place on earth. That's one thing to be proud of. Then, the raindrops were never actually drop-shaped, so you know the artists were bluffing when they drew them. And then, the smell of the rain is called petikor, which is a word with Greek origin. So, a word with Greek origin, that's petikor. Petikor is a smell or sensation you get when you smell the air while it's raining. You get this smell called petikor. And we all know that it is something that cannot be described, but is much rather enjoyed. I'd like to call it a smell of nature. But when we all set all of this apart, what truly matters is that we enjoy such in life. Nature is beautiful, and we shall know to always embrace it. Before I put an end to this rain-themed radio talk, here's a famous quote by a famous poet. Rain showers my spirit and waters my soul. Emily Logan Dissens. Stay blessed, mates. This is Asa. Thank you.
Thank you, Asa. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. Here is Pranav with a beautiful song.
മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടുമീ നാടൻ വഴി നനഞ്ഞോടിയൻ കുടക്കീഴിൽ നീ വന്ന കാറ്റാടിൽ ഈരമുടി ചേരുന്നിതി നീലാകരി നീളുന്നൊരീ മൺപാതയിൽ തോളോടു മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടുമീ നാടൻ വഴി നനഞ്ഞോടിയൻ കുടക്കീഴിൽ നീ വന്ന ഇടറാതെ ഞാൻ ആ കയ്യിൽ കൈ ചേർക്കവേ മയിൽ പീലി പാളം പോലെ നോക്കുന്നുവോ തണുക്കാതെ മെല്ലിച്ചേർക്കും നേരത്തു നീ വിറയ്ക്കുന്നു മെയ്യും മാറും വേറെന്തിനോ ആശിച്ചു ഞാൻ തോരാത്തുരീ മൂടട്ടിന മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടുമീ നാടൻ വഴി നനഞ്ഞോടിയൻ കുടക്കീഴിൽ നീ വന്നനാ കുടത്തുമ്പിലൂറും നീർപോൽ കണ്ണീരുമാ വിട ചൊല്ലി മൂകം നീയും മാഞ്ഞിടവേ കാറൊഴിഞ്ഞ വാനിൻ ദാഹം തീർന്നിടവേ വഴിക്കോണിൽ ശോകം നിൽപ്പൂ ഞാനേകനാ നീ എത്തുവാൻ മോഹിച്ചു ഞാൻ മഴയെത്തുമാ നാൾ വന്നിടാ മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടുമീ നാടൻ വഴി നനഞ്ഞോടിയൻ കുടക്കീഴിൽ നീ വന്ന നാൾ കാറ്റാലിൽ ഈറൻമുടി ചേരുന്നിരൻ നീലാകവേ നീളുന്നൊരീ മൺപാതയിൽ തോളോടു പോയില്ലയോ മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടുമീ നാടൻ വഴി.
Thank you, Pranav. Life is full of beauty, notice it. Smell the rain and feel the wind. Live your life to the fullest potential and fight for your dreams. Now here is Daisy Teresa Baston with some new term related to rain.
Hello all,
I am here to introduce you to some terms related to rain. First word, pluviophile. It means a person who loves rain or a lover of rain. Next word, torrential. It means very heavy rain which lasts for a long time. Next one is petrichor, which means the smell of earth after rain, a smell which we all enjoy. Next word, mizzle. It means simply drizzle. Next one, spritzing. It means light rain. Next one, sirimeri. It also means a fine drizzle. Next one is an interesting one. It is yobi, which means the sun shining through the rain. The next one, rimjim. It is the light tapping rhythm of raindrops when they hit on a surface. Next one, exydria. It means the winds that are accompanied by rain. Then the last one, dysania, the state of finding it hard to get up from bed, a state which we all have been through. Thank you.
Thank you, Daisy. There is nothing like a little rain to bring people together. Nature is an art of God. Rain showers the spirit and waters the soul. Here is Ahalya S. Murali of class 5th B with a summary of a poem.
Good evening, listeners. I am Ahalya S. Murali. Now I summarize the poem Rain on the Roof. The poem Rain on the Roof talks about the poet Kurt Kinney's varied reactions to the sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house. He says that the raindrops at night are like tears shed by the sad, dark night. He loves to lie in bed and hears rain falling on the roof of his room because it gives back sweet memories of the past. He says that the sound of raindrops helps him fall asleep and gives him sweet dreams. He has memories of his loving mother who will put them to sleep. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Ahalya. Our St. Mary's provides better opportunities for exploring the talents of students. Here is Gayatri with flashes of light.
A resplendent welcome to everyone. I am here to update you all with the recent happenings of our school. Lately, we had our school elections conducted. Students were very passionate and dedicated about the elections. They self-introduced themselves on the stage on the assembly and later went on campaigning with full power and fire. All candidates worked very hard to win. Finally, the results came out and school head boy Samuel Victor, head girl Nandana Nandakumar, assistant head boy Rahul L, assistant head girl Gayatri P.S., cultural secretary Daisy Teresa Bastin, assistant cultural secretary Sarangi K, magazine editor Anugraha, assistant magazine editor Anna Arun, sports captain boy Krishna Nag, sports captain girl Veena V.S., assistant sports captain boy Alex Joy Sharath, assistant sports captain girls Anupama P.S. Congratulations to all the winners and the ones who didn't win. Don't get disheartened because greater victories are waiting for you. On 10th July, we conducted our investiture ceremony. We had Inspector of Police, Kollam East, Sri Anil Kumar as the chief guest, Dr. D. Ponnachan Sir, Principal Ms. Manju Rajiv, and the school leaders. Also, our house leaders of Ruby, Emerald, Diamond, and Sapphire were given their duty. March past with the Students' Council members and the Reds, that is, Ruby, Emerald, Diamond, and Sapphire platoons were held. Then the investiture ceremony was held. The chief guest, Sri Anil Kumar, awarded their badge to the leaders. The program was conducted amazingly with a line of gorgeous programs. Also, preliminary selection for the Arts Fest are being held in our school. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri. So guys, it is time to wind up our program. First of all, I would like to thank our respected chairman, Dr. D. Ponnachan Sir, our beloved principal ma'am, Ms. Manju Rajiv, vice principal, Ms. Christy D. Ponnan, administrator, Ms. Leelama Ponnachan, administrative officer, Sir Christo D. Ponnan, academic coordinator, Ms. Bishan K. Baby, management representative of SMC, Father Matthew Thomas, and our radio coordinator, Miss Shalini, and all the teachers and friends who supported us strongly. And special thanks to the director of Radio Bensiger, Father Ferdinand Peter, and the sound engineer of Radio Bensiger, Mr. Sharat Alak. Last but not least, thanks all our dear listeners. Until next time, this is Vidovi signing off.
കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി റേഡിയോ ബെൻസിഗറിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ കേട്ടത് സിംഫണി ഓഫ് സെന്റ് മേരീസ്. തയ്യാറാക്കി അവതരിപ്പിച്ചത് സെന്റ് മേരീസ് ഉളിയക്കോവിലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ. സാങ്കേതിക സഹായം ശരത് ആലാബ്സ്.